Hey everybody, so we got an unboxing to do from AcmeTools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so we're going to do an unboxing. This is the AcmeTools box from the previous video. As I explained in the video on the May 27th, when I picked up the blowers, the Milwaukee M18 blower and the Flex Volt blower with kit, which came with the charger and it came with a 9 amp hour Flex Volt battery. I was supposed to get a free M18 dual rapid simultaneous charger. This could be the simultaneous charger, it could be something else. Like the previous video said, today is June 11th. So this is, I think, a week and a half or so after I got the blowers. Let me see. It's been 2 weeks and 1 day since I got the blowers and everything. So let's get this unwrapped and we'll find out what it is. This box looks in pretty good shape compared to the last one we got. This is empty. It look, oh, it's the rapid charger. It is the M18 dual bay simultaneous rapid charger. Charges all M18 batteries. It is 48-59-1802. So this is the item I was supposed to get with the blowers, the M18 Gen 2 fuel blower, as well as the Flex Volt blower, which is, I'll show you guys because I still have them in the house. These guys right here. So this was supposed to come with this one and this one. And the blowers are in the shop. But, okay. So, this is just a quick little unboxing sneak peek. I will do another video and we'll unbox the item completely and we'll do specifications and stuff like that. It does have rapid charge durations and everything on the back. Interesting. It doesn't have a serial number sticker anywhere. Alright guys, so we'll do another video. I just took it out the box. It was just kind of the unboxing reveal kind of video. And we'll do an unboxing specification information video. This is the free item I got when I ordered the Bare Tool M18 Gen 2 blower. So I appreciate you guys watching. I also want to keep these videos kind of short. I don't want it to be like a 20-minute video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Yeah.